Hello everybody, myself Tanish studying in grade 5. Today I'm here to deliver a speech about Ronaldo. So we are going to focus on 4 main things about Ronaldo. Who is Ronaldo and why is he famous? How is he famous? And what is the history of Ronaldo? Now if we look in the history of Ronaldo, Ronaldo was a basic Portugal player who was born in a family suffering of poverty on February 5th. So Ronaldo's mother had already had 3 children and he was the 4th children. He was the 4th child. So in this case, when Ronaldo's mom was pregnant, she tried to abort Ronaldo. But luckily she didn't have the money to do that. So Ronaldo was born. However, they're not having any heart to dump Ronaldo or to abandon him. They began to grow him, or they began to support every studies of their children. Now you see Ronaldo, he is a Portugal player, right? Yeah. First, when he was a kid, he saw people playing football in a ground while he was coming from his school. He asked them, what is this game? How to play this game? And can I play with you? So they said, luckily they were kind-hearted. So they said, yes, you can play. And first, what's your name? And the Ronaldo said, my name is Ronaldo. And they said, okay. After that, he played. He loved the game of football, which is also known as soccer in other countries. So in this time, his friends or his new friends were amazed of his skills. He was a beginner, still he loved that game. So his father, Ronaldo's father, who was working in the local Portugal field as trash collector, recommended him for the coach. When he recommended, the coach was surprised. He asked, what? Yourself? Playing football? What nonsense are you talking? For that, he said, yes, sir, my son can play football. And he was now feeling annoyed. He said, oh, really? Then prove it. So on once, when Ronaldo came, he did not have any shoes. So his teammates and his opponents were teasing him. So he need to buy rented shoes to play football. He played football in rented shoes, but he did very good. The coach was surprised. He asked, is this your son? And after that, Ronaldo's father proudly said, yes, sir, it's my son. And after that, Ronaldo's face was lit up with a big smile. After he went home, Ronaldo's father said everything about Ronaldo to Ronaldo's mother, even recommended sending him to an coaching academy. So in this case, Ronaldo's mother, in verge of tears, don't know to be happy or to be sad, because his family was already in the poverty. So in that, his father was the only one who was, and he has less income. And for the 4 children, they need studies. But he says to send for a coaching center, which is just few less for his Ronaldo's mother. So in Ronaldo's mother, he or she thinks about Ronaldo for a lot of time and says, well, we can send him, but one rule. And Ronaldo's mother said, one rule. So Ronaldo's father asked, what rule? And for that, Ronaldo's mother said, but your son should play better, or else we are taking him out and abandoning him. His father, quite anxious and sad about it, and he said, okay. Then once he went to coaching center and came back, he mostly had no food and he had no football. So his father and genius made football out of plastic bottles. Ronaldo practiced with them and learned with them. So in this case, Ronaldo was one of the best player in the city. So in this, many people not knowing about his talent, when he came to any match, they teased him. Now on 1998, Ronaldo played for the youth team. In that, he won 4 matches for 5. And in that, he began to grow. And used to play local matches in Portugal. After some time, he again used to play now for Portugal. Like how India cricket team play for India, he he played football for Portugal. In that, his dream was to join the club, and his mother, first time eating an expensive meal because of Ronaldo, was in verge of tears. She said, "I'm very proud of you, son." His other brothers also said, "We are also proud of you, little brother." Ronaldo was happy while hearing this, but that did not last for very long. Often when Ronaldo came home from a match, he would stay hungry, and if he asked, they said they had no food. He would go to bed in hunger. So on 2003, first big clubs were recommended by Ronaldo. And in that, Ronaldo said about Manchester United, which he said that it was his dream to join them when he was youth. And in 2005, he joined Manchester United, one of the biggest and large supportive club in whole England. So that English club were amazed to see Ronaldo playing in the field, and he helped them in 4 World Cups. And now he was basic Portugal player too. Now he's a club player. So he was a club in first he was his Manchester United club, one of his first big club, and second, seeing of his more talent, Real Madrid, one of the most biggest club, recommended him. So he came with happiness. He had a salary of 18.9 million, but it was broken by a French player for 20 million. So in that 18.8 million, he could be able to feed his family several months. In Real Madrid, when Ronaldo was 39, he needs to change to another club, because after 39, you cannot stand in any big clubs. So Ronaldo till Real Madrid, and he joined to Al Nassr. It's the t-shirt which I'm wearing. Yeah, I forgot to mention. I know that you're wondering that I'm wearing this football attire. Well, there's a competition in my school, or there's a tournament in my school which I need to play. Yeah, the same jersey wore Ronaldo while he was playing for Al Nassr. Now, see Ronaldo's number. It's number 7. So in this case, Ronaldo wore the number 7 jersey, but there's a big flashback for his jersey. When he first signed Real Madrid, the number 7 was already owned by the captain of Real Madrid. So he was the number 10. But gradually the captain had a very bad injury and retired. So he was the number 7. He was the captain for Real Madrid. And after that, he took out the number 7 and he went to Al Nassr. He thought he would get a different jersey, but he got the same number 7 jersey. Happy with that, he went home saying his mother. But his mother was in verge of tears. You know why? Because his father was in hospital admitted and serious. Now this was his flashback, right? So when he said this to his mother, the mother said this to him. So in this case, Ronaldo was not happy. He was so sad. And in the next match, he did not perform well. And after the next match, when he came home, his mother said that they need about 1 million. And he said, "No worry for monies, but just say to save him." So doctors tried their hard to save him. But before Ronaldo's about 70th match, he passed away. So in this time, Ronaldo was about to cry in the match. And after he scored 3 goals and hat-trick. You know what is a hat-trick? Yeah, 1 goal with your right foot and 1 more with your left foot, and the 3rd goal should be with your head. So now the Ronaldo dedicated all his goals to his dead father. Now here we saw about flashback of Ronaldo. How was Ronaldo famous? As I already mentioned, he was famous by a game called football, or also soccer. And now Ronaldo has 2 sons. One's name is Ronaldo Jr. But you know that Ronaldo has a girlfriend named Georgina Rodriguez. So, but Ronaldo Jr.'s biological mother is not Georgina. It was his ex-girlfriend. So, in his Junior Ronaldo were about 5. Ronaldo Jr. liked his father's training. So, he started under training. And while he was about 12, Ronaldo said him, "You could be better." and you could also win the World Cup. And there are many opposing players for Ronaldo. For example, Messi and Neymar. No one else is match for Ronaldo. And there are many things about Neymar and Messi. But Ronaldo has lot of personalities. His daily diet is very different. He wakes up at 5, trains till 7, then takes a 90-minute nap till 8. And he begins his routine by spending his time with his sons and daughters, then more. And here, I would like to end the video with Ronaldo's celebration. So, thank you.